पसंद आएगा. So let's get started.
So first I am applying primer on my face for the mattifying effect. I am blending the primer with my fingers. And then I am applying foundation. And I am blending the foundation with my sponge. Then I am concealing it with the compact. You can also do it with the loose powder. Then I am going for contouring my face, my cheekbone area and also my jawline. I am blending the contour with the sponge. Then I am doing my brows. You can take any dark color to do that. Then I am using light pink highlighter on my eyes. And for the crease, I am using dark pink color. Then I am blending the dark pink color with the light base. So here I am starting with my eyeshadow. I am applying silver color on the startup of the eyes. And then I am applying metallic pink color on the second half. Then again I am taking silver eyeshadow and blending this both. Make sure that you blend this both eyeshadow very well. Then I am putting black color on the corner with the cat eye shape. And I am blending it well. And then I am taking silver eyeliner on the cut crease. Then I am applying colossal kajal, dark black color on my eyelids. After applying kajal, I am putting metallic blue color on my eyelids and smudging it well. Then I am highlighting the corner of my eyelids. Then I am highlighting my eyebrow curve with the silver highlighter. And then I am applying eyeliner, black color. After applying eyeliner, I am putting my mascara on my eyelashes. And then I am applying eyelashes. Once I am done with my eyes, I am going for blush on, pink color blusher. And then I am highlighting my cheekbone area. Also I am highlighting my nose. And then finally I am applying baby pink color lipstick, which is in a gloss shade. So here I am done for my final look. If you really love this look, then please go and give it a like. Also share it to your friends and family and do comment, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.